It's Mocky again. And in this video, we will compare the diagramming abilities of the Mocky app and Draw.io for Confluence. Last time, we make a comparison between Mocky and Glyphy, from installing the app to their diagramming features. If you wish to know more about that comparison, you can find the video in this corner. Now, let's get back to where we started. We will go through briefly how you access these Confluence diagram tools. Next, we will compare one app's interface to the other, their ease of use, most importantly, their diagramming ability, and how they help Confluence users manage their project pages. First, let's see how to access these apps. For the Confluence version, you can use a macro like this to open the app. For Draw.io, it is a bit special. Besides opening the app, you will find there are other options. You can either insert a new board from Draw.io or embed an existing Draw.io diagram, meaning you can simply embed a diagram into the Confluence version if you have already created one using Draw.io. Next, let's talk about their interfaces. As we have shown before, Mocky offers a simple yet modern interface that almost every user can easily understand. With an appropriate layout, Confluence users won't find it hard to start diagramming right away. For Draw.io, the app also provides simplicity in its interface. However, the app's menu and settings are a little too detailed. A completely new user can feel overwhelmed with all the information shown on the screen. We can continue with the ease of use of each Confluence diagram tool. For Mocky, it is even easier for Confluence users, as every action key is labeled with names and shortcut keys. Although Draw.io also provides simplicity, it does not support showing hints or shortcut keys to operate the app. Now we shall take a closer look at their diagramming abilities. Surprisingly, both apps have similarities in drawing diagrams. From the drag and drop ability to suggesting the next possible component in your diagram, users can also customize components freely to their liking. A big advantage of Mocky is that you can add multiple component types to the diagram like avatars, customizable charts, and more with intuitive key hints. Meanwhile, using Draw.io to create diagrams has some limitations, as the app focuses mainly on diagram components. Although you can add other component types, Draw.io requires users to manually add some specific shapes to the menu. Besides, the app does not support shortcuts, which could be bothersome. Finally, we will see how you can manage your project pages with these apps. This is another point making Mocky stand out. This Confluence diagram tool allows up to 3 ways to view and manage your multiple project pages, including grid, map, and workflow view. Sadly, Draw.io currently does not support any means of page management. So, what is our verdict? If what you are looking for is a Confluence diagram tool that not only satisfies your needs, but also manages your design and project pages, you should definitely go for the Mocky app. On the other hand, if you want a tool with simplicity and straight-to-the-point features, you can choose Draw.io. With this comparison video, we hope that you can decide which diagramming solution is for your team and organization. You can subscribe to our channel and watch this Mocky tutorials and use cases to learn more about its abilities.